Full mouth reconstruction is where we build the patient's bite, smile, back to form and function. So patients that have worn their teeth down, either due to trauma, severe amount of wear, decay, we're able to build that patient back to where their smile was when they were younger. Full mouth reconstruction can vary from dental veneers to crowns to dental implants to possibly a dental bridge. It just kind of varies with what the patient's desires are. What are we trying to accomplish? The patient may not have seen their smile in years. They may not have liked the color of their teeth, the shape of them. With these different treatment modalities, we're able to give them back their smile. It increases their confidence. They smile a lot more. They're a lot happier.